And while in the past 4 weeks, lakhs of migrants from around the country have returned to their home states, and majority of them have come back to Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. In Bihar, in fact, there has been a surge in the number of positive cases among migrant returnees. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar interacting with migrants in the quarantine centers through video conferencing. Prakash, my colleague and a senior editor, joining us live at this very point in time to bring to light what all is happening in Bihar and how is the government there bringing the situation under control, because migrant movement is also key focus of the state government at this point in time. Most of the cases that are coming to light are because of the returnees who have returned to the state. Prakash.
It's a big problem as far as the migrants are concerned, because people coming in from high-risk areas of bigger cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Calcutta, and NCR region of Faridabad, they are from the high-risk areas. And all of a sudden, from 3rd May till now, there's been a spike in the number of positive cases among the migrants, and most of them are asymptomatic. Now, with migrants testing positive, it has become a huge problem, and the threat is of spreading it to the community level. So through this video conferencing, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar trying to address the issue of the migrants. Now we can see that through video conferencing here in the wall, he's assessing the facilities that is being provided in the quarantine center, because off and on there have been complaints of poor facilities at the quarantine center, and the opposition have also leveled charges against Nitish Kumar's government. So through the video conferencing, he's first assessing the facilities at the quarantine centers in 10 districts of Bihar today, and yesterday also he had assessed around. There you see the room in the quarantine center which the Bihar government has made, and Nitish Kumar is overseeing all those facilities. And it is a direct communication between the migrants and the Bihar Chief Minister, because the major problem what the Bihar government would face is of providing them employment. And what we get to know that the Bihar government is trying to do skill mapping of all these migrants who have come back. And there you see the facilities he's monitoring through the video conference. And he's also trying to directly communicate with the migrants so that they stay back here in Bihar, because till Chhath, which is in November, these migrants will stay back, and it's a direct communication that jobs will be provided to them. That's what he's trying to assure them. But it's a Herculean task as far as providing jobs are concerned, because there was lack of jobs. That is why these laborers went back to different states. So all the district magistrates. So I'll ask my camera person to zoom here. The Bihar Chief Minister is speaking. So in some
बैठे हुए वहाँ बात कराई
देख लिया
ठीक है सर
बात कर जा रहे हैं सर, इसकी इच्छा हुई है सर, वहाँ से बात किया गया है।
हाँ
हाँ
वो तो कैसे
बैठाइए, बात कराइए।
That's what the situation looks like. Bihar Chief Minister closely monitoring the situation, assessing all the quarantine centers himself. Prakash continues to be with us with all those updates. Prakash, personally interacting with the returnees, now personally monitoring the situation as far as healthcare facilities, quarantine facilities are concerned. And so many migrant workers have already returned to the home state of Bihar, Prakash, and the Chief Minister himself has constantly laid emphasis on how that is a challenge, but also the priority of the state government, and will be looked at very, very closely, including giving employment, ensuring employment to the returnees.
Well, it's a big challenge, and let me tell you, these migrants have faced the problems for the past 1 month or so. They have been walking on the roads. And let us listen to the conversation between the Chief Minister and the migrant.
14। तो यहाँ कैसा महसूस हुआ है?
अच्छा है सर, यहाँ बहुत अच्छा है। अभी यहाँ तो बाहर से जैसे तैसे करके हम लोग निकल के आ गए। हाँ, बिहार से
क्या विचार है?
अब
आगे
सर
भी यहाँ
जाने
रहते
अब बाहर जाने को इच्छा नहीं है सर। अगर कुछ संस्थापन यहाँ
बहुत
रही है
अच्छा है।
तो
ये मन बना करके रहिए। और यहाँ
हाँ,
से
सर।
कितनी दूर पर आपका घर है?
यहाँ
अभी जहाँ-
कहाँ से सर?
यहाँ से
हाँ,
जो
एक-
पंचायत सरकार भवन है
हाँ सर,
बखरा का, यहाँ से कितनी
हाँ, सर।
दूर पर आपका घर है?
1 किलोमीटर सर।
1 किलोमीटर नजदीक है।
हाँ सर।
तो अब
हाँ, सर।
इच्छा आपकी है यहीं रहने की, तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी है। और हम चाहेंगे
है।
कि आप यहीं रहिए और आपको यहीं कोई न कोई काम जरूर मिले।
ठीक है सर, बहुत
और
अच्छा होगा।
अपने यहाँ सारे संबद्ध विभाग इस काम में सक्रिय हैं।
हाँ सर।
और डीएम साहब को भी कह दिया है कि एक एक जगह का आप जानकारी ले लीजिए कि कौन किस काम में बाहर लगे हुए थे, ताकि
सही बात है,
उनको
सर।
उस प्रकार के काम में यहाँ इंगेज किया जा सके,
हाँ सर। हाँ,
उनको किसी तरह की कठिनाई न हो।
कुछ कठिनाई ना हो सर। सही बात है, ठीक है। हाँ, ऐसे तो हम लोग को यहाँ में बहुत आदमी लोग है सर। जैसे कारपेंटर है, आपका फिटर है, रिगर है, वेल्डर है, सब कुछ यहाँ में बहुत आदमी है। अभी 40 आदमी जैसा है अभी।
नहीं ठीक है।
तो हम लोग
तो इन लोगों के लिए तो काम में एंगेज करना कठिन नहीं है, बहुत आसान है।
हाँ
यहाँ
सर,
भी
हाँ।
काफी काम हो रहा है,
हाँ सर।
इसलिए अच्छा है। यहाँ रहिएगा तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, आपके लिए भी बेहतर है, राज्य के लिए भी बेहतर।
ठीक
हम
है
लोगों
सर।
को भी अच्छा लगेगा कि हमारे लोग क्यों इधर उधर जा रहे हैं, यही काम करें और यही उनको काम करने का मौका मिले, हम लोग यही चाह रहे हैं।